In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check revenue by date, fast and easy. If you're managing a website with a lot of traffic, understanding how much revenue you're generating over a specific period can be a powerful tool for analysis and decision-making. So, let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to begin by heading over to your website's WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for all site-related activities and where you'll find all your useful analytics. If you've never used WordPress before, don't worry. It's very user-friendly. Once you've logged in, locate the dashboard from your site's homepage and give it a click. This will take you to a page filled with various options and insights into your site's performance. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate over to the Analytics section. You'll usually find this option in the left sidebar. The Analytics page hosts a wealth of data about your website's performance, including traffic patterns, user behavior, and much more. Clicking on Analytics will guide you to an overview page where you have multiple options to choose from, depending on the specific numbers you want to analyze. The next click will be on Revenue. It's essentially the finance-focused part of your site's data, showing how many sales you've made and how much revenue you've generated. You'll find this option prominently displayed on your Analytics page. Click on it, and you'll see detailed revenue data populating on your screen. Now, for a more targeted insight, it's time to narrow down your revenue data by selecting a specific date range. Your default view will typically be set to the current month to date, but you can easily adjust this. Look for the Date Range menu, often appearing as a calendar icon. Clicking it will unfold a variety of time frame options. Here's a crucial part of tailoring your analytics: selecting a specific date range, depending on what you're looking to analyze, whether it's a specific week, the last quarter, or even a custom range. The date selection allows you to get the targeted data you need. Simply select your desired range and watch as your revenue data recalibrates to reflect that period. Once the date range is set, you'll be greeted with your revenue data as per your chosen timeline. This is where you can dive deep into your financial analytics, observing patterns, identifying peaks in revenue, or noticing any declines that need your attention. Take your time here to absorb the data available to you. Finally, don't forget to click on the Update button. This is an essential final step to ensure that all the data displayed reflects your chosen settings accurately. With your data now refreshed, you're all set to dive into your revenue analysis. And there you have it. Checking your revenue by date is a breeze with this straightforward method. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner operating your WordPress site, having a clear understanding of your revenue metrics can give you the upper hand in optimizing your site's performance. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!